There we go. What's happening? Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation. Sorry for a bit of a late start, but yeah, busy figuring out technology again. Cool. Let me know if you're in the comments. Just comment down below, just with ngikhona, uzokhomenta ngikhona. See, okay, cool. So just comment out more ngikhona. That's okay. Ngikhona. Cool. Cool. Just a quick note. Just if you want, I've got these live videos happening Wednesday and Saturday at 5:30 p.m. SA time. For these 3 weeks of lockdown. So yeah, so tune into those. I've made an event. Maybe follow that. There we go. Cool. And I also have private classes and a Thursday evening group class at the moment. So let me know if you're interested in any of that. Cool. Let's have a look here. Anybody else? Okay. So for now, we're just going to go over our greeting from last time. Okay, so I'll be A, and you be B. Okay. So, sawubona. Sawubona. Okay. Let's just do all the explaining again. Let's do that. Sawu. You. Bona. So see. Sawubona. And you respond, yebo, sawubona. Bona, to see. I'm saying I see you. You reply, you acknowledge that I see you. And you say, oh, okay, yebo. And you see me as well. Yebo, sawubona. I'm going to ask you, unjani? You, or how? How are you? You respond, ngiyaphila. Wena unjani? Okay, I am well. You're saying to me, you're saying you. And you, you can say like, and you. Wena unjani? How are you? And you, how are you? I respond, ngiyaphila. Ngiyabonga. Cool. Okay. Anybody else here? Cool. Yeah, comment. Nisho ngikhona. I'm here. Ngikhona. Okay. So I say ngiyaphila, ngiyabonga. Okay. Ubani. What is? Ubani. Igama. Name. Lakho. I'm asking you. Ubani igama lakho. Say igama lami. Ngu. Name of mine is, and whatever your name is. I'm going to ask you, uhlala pi. Uhlala pi. Where do you live? And you respond with ngihlala I stay Durban, noma Goli, noma Cape Town, noma New York, noma Canada, noma Igephi. Okay. And you're asking me back, uhlala pi. P on the end is where. Uhlala pi. Brian. I say mina ngihlala Hanoi, Vietnam. Ngifundisa isingisi. Futhi la Hanoi, i-lockdown iqale namhlanje or Wednesday. Iqalile lockdown. Okay, I say to you, ngiyajabula ukukwazi, happy to meet you. You say nami nami ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Okay, Kazuktini is something. What does it mean? Like, explain it. Another one you can say, let's maybe take this out. If I say Gingasho Kanjani Uguti something. That means, how can I say ngesizulu? Uzothi ngesizulu noma ngesingisi? Ngesizulu. Okay. How can I say ngesizulu? How can I say whatever in Zulu? Cool. Okay, anybody else? Perfect. Okay, so today I was thinking of doing just an at the store conversation. So I can say, let's talk about you. Okay, wena ulambile. Ufuna ukudla. Ufuna ukudla mhlambe in roast chicken. Roast chicken yase Woolworths. Inkukhu yase Woolworths. Okay. So let's put that out there. Wena ulambile. You're hungry. Ufuna ukudla. You want food. Ufuna ukudla inkukhu. Ufuna inkukhu. Ufuna ukudla inkukhu yase Woolworths. Inkukhu yase Woolworths. Ngoba phela inkukhu ngizothi inkukhu yase Woolworths imnandi kakhulu. Inkukhu yase Woolworths imnandi kakhulu. Okay, let's go over this again quickly. Wena ulambile. Ufuna ukudla. Ufuna ukudla inkukhu. Ufuna ukudla inkukhu yase Woolworths. Hayi inkukhu yase Spar noma inkukhu yase Pick n Pay. Cha. Ufuna inkukhu yase Woolworths. Ngoba inkukhu yase Woolworths imnandi kakhulu. Kodwa inkukhu yase Woolworths iyabiza. Nayinkinga. Inkukhu yase Woolworths iyabiza. Okay, let me ask you some questions. Bob, all your names are going to be Bob right now. Bob, unjani? Bob, unjani? And you're going to say, hayi, ngilambile. Nayi lockdown. Ukudla awukukho ekhaya. Ngilambile. So you're responding this line. So I say to you, Bob, unjani? How are you? And you say, hayi, ngilambile. I can say, oh, ulambile. Ufuna ukudlani. Okay. little ni on the end means what? Okay. Ufuna, you want. Ukudlani. Ufuna, you want. You're going to reply with ngifuna. Ngifuna. I want. Ngifuna. Cool. Yase. Ninkukhu yase Woolworths. My turn. And let me just put B there. Brian. Well, that doesn't work. B for Brian and B for Bob. Z for Zamani. Yeah. Z. Zamani. Mina. Igama lami nguZamani. Ngizothi. Kodwa. Ukhu yase Woolworths iyabiza imali amalandi maningi iyabiza. Okay, and maybe let's just go to the teller. So you want our Bob uzothi ngicela inkukhu. Cela inkukhu uzokhombisa uzokhomba. Ngicela inkukhu. Okay. And the Woolworths employee sizothini? Mhlambe Zandile is working at Woolworths. Uzothi, ufuna inkukhu ufuna inkukhu enkulu noma ufuna inkukhu encane. Ufuna inkukhu enkulu noma encane. Inkukhu enkulu noma encane. Uzothi Bob uzothi hayi ngilambile phela. Ngifuna inkukhu enkulu. Uzothi inkukhu enkulu ibiza malini. Inkukhu enkulu ibiza malini. You're saying, hi, I'm hungry. Okay. What does Zandile says? Ufuna, you want inkukhu. Ufuna inkukhu enkulu noma ufuna, you want, noma ufuna inkukhu encane. You say, hayi ngilambile phela. Ngifuna inkukhu enkulu. And now you're asking a question. How much does a big chicken cost? Inkukhu enkulu ibiza malini. Zandile says, hayi enkulu. Just put everything in. Enkulu ibiza 200 rand. Yeah. You say, how? Ayikho leyo nto ayikho leyo nto, hayibo. Ayikho leyo nto. Nonsense ke. Nonsense. Inkukhu ibiza u-200 rand. Inkukhu ibiza u-200 rand. Ngeke. Sandile matse. Yebo, phela i-rand iphansi. I-rand iphansi manje. Yonke into iyabiza. Yonke into iyabiza. So my carry on was saying, uzokhokha cash noma ngekhadi. Uzokhokha nge-cash noma ngekhadi. Let's just go over from the top before we get to the thing there. Okay. Oopsie. Okay. Oh, this is me, sorry. Zamani, not Sandile. Zamani. Okay. Bob, unjani? This is your turn to read. All right. Oh, ulambile. Oh, ulambile. Ufuna ukudlani? And this is your line. I want inkukhu, phela inkukhu yase-Woolworths, from Woolworths. Hawu, kodwa inkukhu yase-Woolworths yabiza. Yabiza. Okay, now at Woolworths. You say, I'll be Zandile now instead of Zamani. You say, ngicela inkukhu. Ngicela. I request, basically. I request inkukhu. I'm now Zandile. Oh, ufuna inkukhu enkulu noma ufuna inkukhu ncane? Ngilambile. Say, hayi, ngilambile. Ngifuna inkukhu enkulu. Inkukhu enkulu ibiza costs malini? How much money? How much? Referring to money. Ibiza malini? Say, hayi, inkukhu enkulu ibiza u-200 rand. I want to hear your irritation. Ayikho leyo nto. Inkukhu ibiza u-200. Ngeke. Ayikho leyo nto. Like, there's no such thing, basically. That's crazy. Ayikho leyo nto. Inkukhu ibiza u-200. Ngeke. Never. Says, yebo. Phela i-rand iphansi. Yonke into iyabiza. And then ask him, uzokhokha nge-cash noma ngekhadi. Bob, you're gonna say ngizokhokha nge-credit card. Nge-credit card. That's all. Ambile matse ngicela ufake i-pin. Ufake i-pin. And then to say ngiya. Can't see that. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Hamba kahle. Hamba kahle. Go well. Grudgingly, Bob, you say sala kahle. Sala kahle. Okay, cool. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngithemba ukuthi nifundile something la. Mhlawumbe ngizofaka i-link yale documents ku Facebook. Nibone nje. Nibukisise, funda lapha. Funda. Bese sizobonana ngo Saturday or past 5 ntamba. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Salani kahle.